Hey, this is a HoldOne heat gun, and it's really cool because it uses LEDs and gives you a temperature readout. So if you're doing, I'm post-heating some vinyl here, car wrapping, 3D printing, craftwork, DIY, whatever it may be, you get a good range. Now this is 1800 watts at its max, so it's pretty powerful. It's very lightweight. It is just an all-plastic housing. With the temperature controls, the plus and minus on the sides, and only one fan speed. But because it digitally shows you the temperature as you dial it down, you don't have to worry about overheating or, burning, melting, whatever it is that you're doing. So if you know what the temperatures you like to work at, you can set it and you got it. Now, a couple other cool things here is it's got little snoots. Go on there, kind of bring that down, focus that heat into tight areas. Then if you're doing, your classic paint work or something like that, you get the big one like so. Or if you're just trying to protect the top, so it has those features. So check out HoldOne if you want a good heat gun that gives you a big range of temperature settings. It might help you out with your project.